In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your buyers with tracking information on eBay. Whether you're an experienced seller or just getting started with managing orders, this is an essential step you'll want to master in order to enhance your customer service and maintain transparency with your buyers. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Make sure you're using your seller credentials so you can access all your sales-related features. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which should look pretty familiar. From here, navigate to the section that lists your transactions, and you'll see a tab labeled Sold. That's right, we're heading there next. Clicking on the Sold Items tab reveals a list of all your recent sales, each complete with details including the buyer's information and item sold. Take a moment to identify the specific order for which you need to add tracking information. This step is crucial as accuracy here ensures that the tracking information is sent to the right person. After locating the order, you'll want to select it by clicking directly on it. This will expand the order details, giving you a comprehensive view of all of the information associated with that particular sale. Here, you should see a button or link labeled Add Tracking Number. Clicking on this will open a new input field specifically designed for you to enter the tracking details. Now, it's time to carefully input the tracking number. It's a string of characters provided by your shipping carrier. Be careful to double check these characters for accuracy. An incorrect tracking number can lead to confusion or dissatisfaction for your buyer. To complete this step, you'll also need to select the carrier you're using. eBay typically has a drop-down list that includes major carriers like USPS, FedEx, UPS, and others. Be sure to match the tracking number with the correct carrier to ensure it's traceable. Once the tracking number and the carrier have been entered correctly, the next step is to save this information. Look for the Save button or option on the page and click it. This doesn't just save the information in your eBay records, it also automatically communicates this update to your buyer. They will receive a notification that includes the tracking number so they can monitor the shipment's progress themselves. Finally, after hitting save, it's a good practice to review everything one last time. Double check that the information is accurate and that the buyer's contact is correct. This small act of diligence can prevent misunderstandings and enhance your credibility as a seller. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to keep your buyers informed. By following these steps, you're contributing to a smoother, more transparent sales experience, which goes a long way in building trust with your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling on eBay!